Hello everyone. A very big explosion happened in Mongolia about 10 hours ago. As you can see here, just look what's happening. The entire street on fire. The entire street is on fire. So what happened is a gas truck exploded because of slippery asphalt. So the gas truck has crashed with Prius, and then it exploded. 50 tons of gas. It's a ginormous amount of gas, and you can see the result here. And here a guy running on fire. A person is running on fire. Right now, more than 30 pupils died. The death count is 30 right now. And more than 500 pupils lost their property, lost their money, and more than 300 pupils has a very bad burn. This guy is literally running on fire. And I want to mention this YouTuber. His name is Tushik. He is a Mongolian YouTuber. And please subscribe this guy. Just look at that, guys. Entire street is on fire just because one gas truck. And here you can see the biggest explosion, the biggest wave of explosion. Wow, guys, this explosion is bigger than this apartment, and everyone who lives in this apartment now homeless. More than 500 people are now homeless. These people need help. Even a $5 will help them a lot. Look at this, guys. This explosion is on a nuclear explosion scale. And 3 firefighters has died on their duty. And here you can see why the reason of this explosion. You can see right here. This is the gas truck, and this is the Prius. You see, the gas truck is crashed with Prius, and then the explosion erupted. Look, the gas truck is losing a gas everywhere. This is not smoke, this is gas. And here is the 3 firefighters who lost their life. These guys were on their duty. Just look at that. Oh my god. How many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These peoples all died. This is all because of slippery asphalt. That's the reason why the truck is crushed with Prius. That's the reason of this explosion. And now there is 500, more than 500 people are homeless in minus 40 Celsius. More than 500 people are homeless. And if someone willing to help to these people, you can connect with Tushik. Maybe he will. You can connect with Tushik, or you can connect with me. If you want to give a donation, draw me. You can send your donation to my PayPal address. Any amount of donation will help these people a lot. These people are innocent, and today they don't have insurance. Most of them don't have property insurance, and most of them are most of them has a very small salary. So please help these peoples. Mongolia need help right now more than ever.